everyone, welcome to today's Maker Monday. My name's Sam and today we're going to be making this beautiful salt painted spider web. So let's get started. Alright, so for today's craft you're going to need some black paper. I'm using some lovely cardstock here, some table salt, a ruler, a pencil and some watercolours and some glue. So let's get started. Alright, so our first step is we just need to draw our lovely spider web pattern on our cardstock. So that's what our ruler and pencil are for. So I'm just going to bisect this into 4 parts and then draw our spider web pattern. So now that we've drawn our pattern, it's time to spread our glue on. Now you need to have your table salt all organised because as soon as that glue is on, we want to put our salt on straight away before the glue dries. So squeezy glue works the best because you're going to spread it across our lines that we've drawn. Just spread it right across your lines, not too much because if there's too many blobs, the salt won't stick. Alright, now that we've got our glue on, it's time to just shake your salt on. I've got it in a bowl here, so we're just going to shake it all over so it sticks, and then when we're done, we'll shake off any excess. Actually cover it so that you can get it all over the glue. It's best to just cover the whole page. Alright, now that that's created a nice mess, we're going to very carefully pick it up and take off our excess salt. And there we have our lovely spiderweb pattern. So now it's time to paint it. So for this you'll need a cup of water. If you're going to use watercolours like I am, I've got a lovely palette here. So I'm just going to load my paintbrush up with lots of water. I'm going to start with yellow, I think. I'm just going to tap it on so the colour starts to come through. Again, just make sure you only have lots of water on your paintbrush so you can get all that paint on. Alright, now I'm going to choose a lovely purple. And we're going to take it all across our salt line. And then we'll just keep going, choosing whatever colours you like until you've painted the whole spider web. Alright, so that's our spider web finished. Look at all the beautiful colours I've used on here. What colours have you used on yours? So thanks for joining me for today's Maker Monday. Hope you enjoyed making this beautiful salt painted spider web. Check you out next time.